Alright, here we go. Full RV tour. We got an O2 Splash RV. It's 24 feet long. It's a perfect size for pulling. Got the awning here. 2 propane tanks, 30-gallon. Got a new regulator in. The last one was leaking, so this one is brand new. Also have our propane gauge, as well as a battery. This one, the seller that we bought it from put it in. So we have a large storage unit on this side. It holds about 4 bins plus a little bit more. It's quite large. Goes all the way from one side of the RV to the other, as you can see. Also got some heavy duty gloves as a part of the hose, and there is a gauge as well. The first panel on the left is the hot water access panel. We also have the outdoor shower access panel, as well as the water inlet, which we installed brand new when we got it. As you can see, the freshwater hose is hooked up to it with the filter. That filter need to be changed out. You can get those on Amazon. That is also another gauge for the water pressure, as well as that hose we bought. It's really easy to connect, hook up, unhook, and it's got a clear valve so you can see everything that's going on. It's got spare tire, great tread on all the tires. There's the ladder that goes up to the roof, I'll show you in a minute. It's another storage. We keep all of our tools, as well as the outdoor outlets, which is great for string lights. That's what we use them for. Showing you the tread on the tires. So both of the storage are lockable. All of our tools fit nicely in there. I was actually going to try to create an access panel in the bathroom to put a laundry basket in there, but didn't get around to it. There's a ladder that goes up to the roof. I'll show you everything up there. It's not the cleanest at the moment, but it is sealed, so the seller who we bought it from did seal it, and we've had no issues with leaking or anything. There is a solar panel up there, which we didn't use because, as you can tell, we're parked under the tree. But everything else is great. The AC unit's up there, and 2 vents. So that's it for the outside. So this is the inside, starting with the entryway. So just got that bowl in today. It's a road refresher. It helps keep the dog drool to a minimum. So our entryway closet, we have a radio with auxiliary cable. We kept our hats, our dog stuff, and our shoes in here. Also had my gym bag in here at one point. So we've got a rack to the right for cups, small desk, dog food underneath. Have our prep station, as you can see. My awesome Dyson. Full chef kitchen here, guys. We cook a lot, so our little water thing. We got a blender, our instant hot, our coffee making stuff. A little awesome prep trash can. You just scrape everything off into it. Have our drawer for cooking utensils. measuring cups, that sort of thing. Cups and small items like that. Instant pots and pans, bowls, strainer back there. Blender bottles on the bottom, keep some paper towels and oil. There's an extra fridge shelf that we weren't really using. So I installed this grommet as well as the IKEA prep station. It's got USB ports and this slides around, that way you keep all the water and gunk out of there when you're not using it. Like I said, nice little mini workstation there for your laptop or whatnot. This is our dinette. It does fold into a twin-size bed. Storage bins. I kept my sewing and craft stuff under here. We have a nice little heater back there. So this is all the stuff like paint and home improvement stuff that we'll be leaving in the RV for the future buyer. Got our nice oven with 3 burners and our stove. We do use this sheet pan quite a bit. It's a mini sheet pan. Propane oven. So we downsized our utensils and serveware quite a bit. We only have 2 bowls and 2 plates. We're working on getting some flatware that matches. Pretty much just 2 of everything. We have some a tortilla press down here, as well as our mixer and some oven mitts. So here's our trash can. We have some towels, cleaning stuff. It's also where we keep our parchment paper and gallon Ziploc bags, that sort of thing. I made these macrame produce bags to hang up there. Actually removed the shower curtain rack and mounted it up there. Holds pots and pans. This is our baking stuff. As you can see, we've got breakfast things, that spices, flour, sweeteners. Here we have our snack cabinet. We have drinks, tea. Our supplements are in there as well. Nice little snack bin. Nuts, dates. In this magnetic spice rack, we have some spices that Greg actually made himself, dehydrated and grinded up. We have our spice bins, oil, salt. Freezer, usually just some smoothie making stuff and ice cubes, ice packs, that sort of thing. Some frozen veggies. This is everything we usually keep in the fridge. Condiments. Usually have more than just some restaurant salsas in there. This is our pin map. So here's our bathroom. We managed to renovate it quite a bit. It's definitely not done. I wanted to wallpaper that back wall there, but just ran out of time and money. 2020. So we have this extended shower curtain rod. It's really great if you have long arms like I do. I like to take a roomy shower and not feel claustrophobic. There's a certain way to do this, but it really helps if you're actually in the shower. Most of the time we just take a shower at the gym, though. Cuts down on a lot of cleaning and propane from the hot water heater. I also installed that mirror as well as some decorations. Nice little organizer, holds all of our stuff. Try not to keep too much stuff anyway. Alright, here's my closet. Most of my clothes are in here. So I've got all of my stuff in bins pretty much. Jackets are back here, winter jackets. Some sweatshirts, sweatpants back here. And a puck light. Some extra toilet paper. This is the enzyme. We tried several different enzymes for the black tank. This one was the most expensive, but it was slightly better. I wouldn't say it was that great, but it's probably the best that they have. So it's our little rack back there. We have our first aid stuff, my blow dryer, and some essential oil diffuser. So this is pretty much all my clothes, underwear, bras, that sort of thing. It's my workout clothes. Also have some loose yoga pants in there. I have everything coordinated by outfits and Marie Kondo style. These are all of my pants besides the ones I was wearing. These are my t-shirts and shorts. I also have a skirt back there. All my shoes, I think I counted 13 pairs. Hey, that's pretty good for a woman. Also have some little organizer with my jewelry, some hair cutting stuff because I do cut my hair myself. A couple batteries. Headband. Women know what this drawer is for. Q-tips as well. More toilet paper. We have hair ties. Greg has his grooming kit in there. Some cologne. That's it for the bathroom. Got to show you, this is our, I guess, dinner pantry. So we got canned goods, rice, pasta, lots of rice. Greg loves his rice. He is the chef in the family for sure. Alright, as we move into the bedroom, there's Riley. Nice memory foam mattress. Got a few books back there. So this cabinet is for my dresses and consultation clothes, work clothes. I have a pair of boots back there as well as a suitcase. So I installed these hooks. You can get them on Amazon for the iPad. And this is pretty much how we watch TV. We don't have a TV. We were planning on getting one, but this just works great. And we like it, so definitely recommend. Here's my treasure chest. I've got little knickknacks, souvenirs from all my travels in there, but as you can see, it's pretty full, so I need to get a bigger one sometime soon. Or I just need to clean that one out. I don't know. It's hard to let go of souvenir stuff. Little macrame thing I made. This is Greg's closet. He's got a couple more pairs, more of the nice shoes, house shoes, some sweatbands, and these are his clothes. He doesn't like to keep any clothes, and I don't really either anymore. He's got a couple jackets. He has some work shirts as well as workout shirts, sweatpants, pajama pants, long sleeve, and a few pairs of nice pants. In the top drawer we have our junk drawer. Everybody has a junk drawer, no matter how small your home. That's not supposed to be in there, but those are his shorts drawer. He keeps his shorts in there. And then this is his socks and underwear drawer. Up top we have more storage. This is where I keep my pajamas and warm socks. Another puck light. Now keep in mind, we have been working really hard to get the RV nice and clean for the buyers, so this used to have more stuff in it, but not much more. These are some travel pillows we bought on our last trip we'll probably be taking with us. So lots more storage back there. Nice little triangle shelf for your phone that I installed. Definitely came in handy for who's sleeping on that side of the bed. So sometimes she does get in the way. We have to pull her aside or just have her get up, but I didn't want to bug her. This is more storage. Storage takes out probably about half the bed, and this is kind of where we have all of our stuff right now that we're going to be taking just to kind of get out of the way for people to be able to see the RV. And that's it. I hope you liked it.